Part 7, more patterns. First problem, the citizens of Hartwell are creating a grapefruit pyramid as the central exhibit of this year's county fair. They plan to make the pyramid 10 layers high. Each layer will have the shape of an equilateral triangle, so that each grapefruit above the bottom rests on 3 grapefruits below it. How many grapefruits will they need for the bottom layer? Okay, for the first layer, you only have 1. For the second layer, you would have each side 2 grapefruits. This is 1 grapefruit, which means all sides are having 1. This is all sides having 2. Layer 3, you want to have each side, we'll do a triangle. Each side you will have 3, okay? So you have 3, 3, 3. And the total grapefruit number is, layer 1 you have 1, layer 2 you have 3, layer 3 you would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Layer 4, each side you would have 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the first line you have 4, second line you would have 3, the third line you would have 2, and the first one you would have 1. So the total points is 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. This is the number of layers, right? This is the general principle that you would find for later layers. So 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, this is 10. And for the 5th layer, each side you would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the next line, you would have 4. Next line, you would have 3, and then 2, and then 1. Again, following the same principle, you can calculate for any given layer how many numbers of grapefruits that you would need. For this case, this is the 5th layer. Total number is 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Total is 10, 15. So students can go on. For the 10th layer, each side you will have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next line, you would have 9, 8, all the way to the top, that's 1. So 10 plus 9 plus 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So add this up would be the total number of grapefruits you would need for layer number 10. Okay, but let's go back. This is a very tedious way of summing all the grapefruits for each line. If we look at the difference among different layers, so let's look at layer number 2. You have 3, right? 1, 2, 3. If I draw a line, this little triangle would be the same as the second layer. What's addition between layer 3 and layer 2 are the actual side. The side has 3 more points. 3 more points is the number on that one side. This is a layer 3, so that one side has 3 more grapefruits. And let's go to the next layer, layer number 4. If I draw a line right here, this triangle is the same as layer number 3. Again, the additional side coming in. This is a layer 4. Each side has 4 grapefruits. So addition between layer 4 to layer 3 is the number is 4. Is equal to the number of layers. So we can just add up the difference between layer number 1 all the way to layer number 10 instead of doing the sum. So how do we do that? The first layer is 1. And 2 versus 1, the difference is 2. And 3 to 2, the difference is 3. 4 to 3, the difference is 4. And 5 to 4, the difference is 5. All the way up, 10 to layer number 9, the difference is 10. So again, you're facing this sum to get to the final answer, which is identical to what we get here.